primarily are a tube fabricator.
Customers can come in here with a concept. We can design it, quote it, build it, guide them. We have a strong engineering team that has extensive knowledge in the equipment on the floor. So we have 3D printers that we can also utilize for prototyping before we put it into production. Start working with QC to get tolerances and dimensions outlined so it's integrated into our setup and process sheets on the floor. We have enough floor space and equipment to handle large projects.
Typically, a lot of our parts are not just 90-degree bends. We get the ones that are a little more challenging that other people will either no quote or regret.
We've done copper, brass, titanium. I've cut titanium on the tube laser. We're always up for the challenge, whatever they can throw at us.
There's always first piece operation when it comes to quality. We always check first piece, in process, final inspection before things go out the door. Multiple people have their hands on the parts, so it's not just one person following it from cradle to grave. Then numerous different people see the parts to check it to make sure the quality's up to the customer standard.
We'll go as far as making a sample piece, a miniature version of the part itself, hole sizes, different kind of cuts, to quality control them first, make sure we're in before we start running production.
5-axis laser cutting is a big part of our business. We're able to take complex geometries. We have a super sharp engineering team that's able to fixture it up. The complex geometry is something that not everybody's able to manufacture and then check.
The 5-axis machines, any of the lasers, tube lasers or flat lasers, it's pretty astonishing to see some of these things run, the speed and the capabilities that they have. We're able to hold tolerances on the sheet laser down to 1/1000th of an inch.
If you can dream it, it basically can produce it. It just makes you feel good that you do something that not everyone can do. And people come to us because of what we do is kind of a niche. It's not everyone that does the tube fabrication to the extent that we do it with the knowledge that we have. Looking at the website is one thing, but when you actually come out, meet our people, see our facility, we're always open for visits. And once people actually see what we can do and then basically experience our interaction with the customer, usually we have a customer for a lifetime.